Click on the link below to get price. The A510C Pro Tran2 50A 10 circuit 2 manual transfer switch is a product designed to provide a reliable solution for transferring power from a generator to a home or business during an outage. This manual transfer switch is particularly suited for those who need a dependable way to manage their electrical circuits when faced with an emergency situation. At its core, the A510C Pro Tran2 is built to handle 50 amps of power and features 10 circuits, making it versatile enough to accommodate various essential appliances and systems within a residential or small commercial setting. The device is designed for easy installation, with a clear set of instructions that guide users through the process, although it is always recommended to consult a qualified electrician for installation to ensure safety and compliance with local electrical codes. One of the notable features of the A510C Pro Tran2 is its robust construction. Built with durable materials, it is designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor usage, particularly in circumstances where power outages are frequent. The transfer switch includes a weatherproof enclosure, adding an extra layer of protection against the elements, which is essential for maintaining functionality in adverse weather conditions. In terms of usability, this transfer switch offers a straightforward interface. Users can easily switch between utility and generator power, which is crucial during emergencies when prompt action is required. The switch positions are clearly labeled, reducing the potential for user error during critical moments. Additionally, it features a safety interlock mechanism that prevents the generator and utility power from being connected simultaneously, thereby enhancing user safety. For those looking to use the A510C Pro Tran2, it is important to ensure compatibility with your specific generator setup. The transfer switch can support various configurations, which makes it adaptable for different electrical systems. Users have reported that the switch performs reliably, providing peace of mind during power outages by ensuring that critical circuits remain powered. In summary, the A510C Pro Tran2 50A 10 circuit 2 manual transfer switch is a practical choice for individuals seeking a dependable method for managing power transfer during outages. With its durable construction, user-friendly design, and safety features, it addresses the essential needs of power management in emergency situations, allowing users to maintain control over their electrical supply when it matters most.